Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey, so today I'm going to be doing a quick wash day. Yes, I know my hair doesn't look bad, but this is the same hair from my main choice prickly pear custard video, and it's got to go. So I'm going to be washing my hair today with the products I got from the Ubiquitous Expo. And I'm going to be using Miche. So today I'm going to start my wash day with the Miche Beauty Cleansed, Moisturizing, and Cleansing Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Miche Beauty prides itself on having no silicones, drying alcohol, sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, synthetic colors, phthalates, or animal testing. This says that it gently and thoroughly removes product buildup without stripping hair and scalp of natural oils. It says it's a sulfate-free, moisturizing, and cleansing shampoo that will clean hair thoroughly and gently without stripping hair of its natural oils. This nourishing pH-balanced shampoo deeply penetrates to repair, protect, and restore damaged cuticles. It says that it's packed with botanical extracts such as hibiscus and ginseng that stimulate circulation to the scalp and offer gentle exfoliation of hair follicles for healthy hair and scalp. Great for all hair types, including color-treated and damaged hair. And then I'm going to follow that up with the Indulge, which is their moisturizing deep conditioner. I've already heard great things about this. Moisturizing deep conditioner is made with raw honey and babassu oil. It says that it's an intense, super moisturizing deep conditioner for all hair types, especially dry, damaged, and color-treated hair. Indulge makes hair more manageable, softer, and healthier, which enables hair to retain length and grow. Indulge deep conditioner is enriched with raw honey, a humectant, which helps attract moisture to hair. Simple but effective ingredients such as olive oil and babassu oil help nourish and heal hair in need of repair. Once I rinse out the deep conditioner, I'm going to follow that up with the Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. This is made with aloe vera and avocado oil. This is a 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner that moisturizes, detangles, and softens dry hair. Okay. Lavish is a moisturizing and detangling leave-in conditioner that will infuse dry hair with moisture-rich ingredients, leaving your hair feeling soft and replenished. Lavish is an excellent detangler that will aid in melting stubborn knots and tangles to make hair more manageable. I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair and then go ahead and proceed with washing it with the Miche Beauty, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Let me just start with the shampoo. So we know that I'm coming off of having extremely dry hair after using that product in my previous video. I started with the Miche Beauty Cleansed, Moisturizing, and Cleansing Sulfate-Free Shampoo. First of all, this is an 8-ounce bottle. The shampoo is like a white pearlescent kind of shampoo. Smells like sour candy. It reminds me of sweet tarts. It smells so good. You guys saw how much I used. I was able to get a fantastic lather from this. It was very cleansing to my hair. I wouldn't know if I would say if it was moisturizing, but it definitely didn't strip my hair. I wasn't necessarily able to like rake my fingers through my hair with a lather, which is automatically what I go to when I hear a moisturizing shampoo. I automatically feel like the shampoo is going to give me slip. While this did not give me slip, I still really enjoy this. My scalp, as you saw, is very clean. How did you get this to smell like sweet tarts? Like, what is in this? And you saw how much I used. I did not need a lot to clean my entire head. And I have a pretty decent amount of hair. I won't say it's like waist length or nothing, but it's pretty thick and dense. So I was able to clean my whole head with the bit of shampoo that you all saw. This was great. This was really good. I really enjoyed using this. After I used the cleansed shampoo, I did go in with the Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. And this, I probably left clips in of my facial expressions when I was applying this. First of all, this smells like candy. Like, it smells like Starburst or like Skittles. Like it, oh, Michelle. How did you do this? The texture of it is so creamy. My hair felt like butter applying it. But more importantly, it felt like whipped butter after I rinsed it out. Not only does it smell good, not only was it super moisturizing, did you all see the slip? And as you can see, this is an 8-ounce jar. I didn't need a lot. I didn't need a lot to cover my whole head. Everybody that's been talking about this was right. I'm so glad that I got 2 of these. This is definitely a staple. And if the sale is right on Black Friday, girl, I will definitely be picking up more of these. After I rinsed out the deep conditioner and my hair already felt like a cloud, I did go in with the Lavish leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner is nice and creamy just like the deep conditioner. This one, it doesn't really have a signature scent to it, but my hair feels moisturized. I was able to glide my fingers through my hair. Like this, I need more. I need more. I also want to be sure that I mention that this line does also have a protein deep conditioner, which I do have. I will do a video on this in the future. And the product line also has an oil that I didn't pick up. Miche is a yes. Y'all don't know how glad I am that I got 2 of those deep conditioners. I'm so grateful that I got 2 of them. Y'all were right. Everyone that wanted a video on the Miche, thank you. I appreciate you. This was a great wash day. Like, I enjoyed every single product. So now I'm going to go ahead and go into styling. That'll be the next video you guys see from me. Be sure to leave your thoughts down in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.